Alright, today we're talking about charging the battery on a RAM Promaster van. And you open the hood and you look, and we have access to the positive terminal on the battery from here and access to a body ground. But this says for jump starting only. So I don't believe they want you to charge the battery from here. So I'll show you where the battery's located underneath the driver's seat. Okay, so to get access to the battery on my Promaster, we have to get underneath the seat here, and there's all these little tabs that get turned counterclockwise about 3/4 of a turn. And then this panel lifts up, it's tabbed in the front, comes off, get it up out of the way, and then here is the negative side, and here's the positive side for the battery. This big panel comes off, and you can just put a clip right here to charge it and a clip right here to charge it. You can also do this to jump start the car if you're in a pinch. Yep, so here you bring your battery in. It's always a good idea to connect the negative first and then reach over after you've taken that cover off and connect the positive. So that's how we charge the battery on a RAM Promaster 3500 van, and then this cover goes back on pretty simply. There's just tabs in the front. Alright, there we got it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.